we've now got this great list of messages for how we've been doing in our guesses. It tells us if our guess was too low and what the guess number was, and if our guess was too high. So we have this list that we can refer to and make better guesses for the next time. Makes the game a bit more fun. One issue is that this is HTML, and HTML has a mechanism for lists. And anytime that HTML has a mechanism for some way of laying out data or some way of classifying data, you want to use that, because that's programming HTML semantically. And that means that search engines and other tools, tools that blind people use to read websites, text-based web browsers, all kinds of other great things work better for your website. We want to tell the browser that, hey, this is a list. We can make it look very similar to this, or we can make it look even better. But we do want to say that, no, this isn't just some words, a line break, words and a line break. We want to say this is a list item, this is a list item, and this is a list item. So let's do that. Now you may remember, in HTML, you have two kinds of lists. You have an ordered list, and you have an unordered list. The ordered list is like a step-by-step set of instructions. It's typically numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and an unordered list, although it'll be still presented in the same order, it means that the order is less important. And typically an unordered list has just a simple bullet mark to the left. Well, this really is pretty ordered. We want to know that this was our first guess, this was our second guess, this was our third guess. So let's make this an ordered list. And how we do that is with the OL HTML tag. So here we have P, and we have ID equals guess message. How about we make this instead an ordered list OL, right? And we end it with /OL. We can still keep the same guess message ID. That makes sense. Although now, in fact, it'll be guess messages. And it's important to name these things properly. Even though it'll take just a little bit more time, let's name it better. Let's call it guess messages. So anytime you see guess message, just put an S on the end here. And now we want to add to the inner HTML not some words and then a line break. Now instead we want this to be a line item, list item. So how we do that is we use the LI tag. Less than, LI, greater than. Let's move this /LI inside angle brackets to replace the BR over here, the line break. Great. I'm just going to do Control V and paste this on the ends of all of our guess messages. So we'll do that right here as well, and right here. And finally, if our guess was too high. Lastly, we're going to put the LI tag, the start tag, in the beginning of all of these. And we'll do that right here as well. And finally, if your guess was too low and if your guess was too high. Let's try it out. So I'm going to take a guess. 25. Number one, your guess of 25 was too high. Then 12. Your guess of 12 was too high. But look at that, I've got a whole nice ordering here. Okay, I'll try 6. I won with 6. Wow, that was pretty good. The reason why I'm so much better at it now is because I have all these great clues and I can look at the history. Very nice.